Hello everyone and welcome to eRides channel. My name is Oleg. I'm gonna be your host today. We're gonna do unboxing of this new electric scooter from Caroma. It's 20 inches wheels. So let's do unboxing, assembly, and go for a ride and see actually how the scooter perform. And if you want one, check link in description and get one for yourself. I might have extra discount also listed in description. So check again all the information in description for the link and additional discounts if it's available. So let's open up. And here's how it looks from the top. Everything looks packed very well. And here's how it looks from the side. And here's how the Caroma P3 model will look once you assemble. This is electric scooter, which kind of bicycle wheel. It's a 20 by 3 inches wide, which is like off-road tires by Young, good up to 35 psi, which high pressure tires. The handlebar, it's about 43 inches from the ground. It's not adjustable and it's foldable, and I'll show you how to fold it. So basically right now it's folded, so you will open the latch right here, so latch going down to close it, then you move it to the side, and then you have to push it to the side in order to open. Once you close this, it will automatically close. Put it back here and push it down all the way down, and it will stay very good. If it's a little bit loose when you close, you can adjust it by open up. Over here is a nut, you can turn a little bit, tighten, so that will be much better hold in place, and then you just push it down, and that's how it's gonna stay. And then you can put it back the basket, and basket attached from both sides right here. Oh yeah, you can do it with the back on, just like that. So it will be foldable, okay? So you can put probably in a car. And the bike is not as light, so I mean the scooter, it's about 65 pounds about, with the back, with everything. And then you would put it back like this and close this latch just like that, okay? So the back is not for heavy stuff. It's about, I would say, 5 to 10 pounds you can put in it. It's a nice kind of rack back, I would say. The seat, it's adjustable. First I will show you how it will look like this on the seat, and you can change position, so it's very comfortable position. And I already tried it for 1 mile to ride it. It was very good, but you can adjust the seat all the way up like this, very high or down. Let me show you how it will look if I bring this up like this. So it will be kind of high. I prefer to have my hands a little bit like a triangle, so it will not get tired for longer distance. So I'll leave it low. Since it's a scooter, you know, you don't have to pedal it. And this scooter P3 comes with a motor which is from bicycle, like it's a fat tire motor, I would say. It's a 500 watt power continuous, and they say it's over 800 peak, so it should be pretty powerful motor. And the top speed, they say it's up to 20 miles, but we're gonna check it out as well. So range, they say it's about up to 30 miles, but again, it's all vary on the person weight, how you ride it, how much PSI you're gonna put. So it's a very may change, I would say. But the battery, it's 48 watt by 10 amp and half, I think 10 and a half amp. So it's over 500 watt hours. So it's a pretty large battery, I would say. So it comes with a rubber surface over here, Caroma brand. And rear hub motor is 500 pound. And it comes with mechanical brakes as a pulling cable right here. It's a Speed brand. And it's 140 millimeter disc on the rear. And it's on the front you get also mechanical disc brake, and it's Speed, the same brand of course, and it's 160 millimeters, so it's a little bit larger disc on the front. It comes with a suspension fork, which is only 40 millimeter travel, looks like. There's no any adjustment on the fork, so it's a just basic fork. And it comes with a front fender, and also it comes with a rear fender, so you can ride it in a wet conditions. So Caroma P3 comes with 2 keys. The key you will need to start it, so you will need to insert it right here and turn it on. Also underneath you're gonna find charging port right here where you charge your scooter, and the key have to stay in. So basically it's kind of security options. I'm gonna remove 1 key so I will not lose it, and you will need only 1 key to start the scooter. So to start the scooter you would need to push button right over here, power on. The display is pretty clear, comes with half throttle, rubbish, looks like rubber grips, which is pretty nice for this price range, and pretty simple to use. Over here is informational. So basically when you push, you will switch pedal assist. Every time you push it going from 1 to 3, so it's only the same button you have to push in order to switch between 1 to 3 pedal assist level. And if you push on the power button, you will see trip, voltage, time, odometer reading right here. And to turn on headlight, you would push this information button, hold it for a few seconds, and the headlight should be on. And it's pretty bright headlight. And it comes with a reflector light on the wheels, and reflector on the rear wheel as well, and reflector under the seat, but there's no tail light attached, so you don't get tail light on this scooter. So if you're planning to ride at night, you better get one, maybe rechargeable. And the seat can go as low as 31 inches down and as high as 37 inches up. Again, the handlebar only 43 inches from the ground, so the most comfortable position gonna be somewhere in between. And it's a pretty stable scooter, which we're gonna take it right now for a ride. This scooter does not come with a taillight. I'm gonna wear this Automaster helmet, which comes with a kind of taillight. I know daytime you cannot really see it much, but it does give it some nice kind of vision at night, so people can see you from the distance. And I'll have the link in description for this helmet as well. So let's go for a ride. We're gonna do speed test, and the speed test is gonna be like basically this just throttle, as there's no other way to pedal it, and I'll just sit on it, use the throttle and go. And I have GPS over here. It's 10, 11 miles, 13, very accurate information to the display, 18 miles an hour, and then I can feel like power cut over 20 miles an hour on GPS and on display. So it's going 20 miles very solid, and yeah, 20 miles an hour. I can even stop now, and then I'm gonna try to check the brakes as well, and then we're gonna go to the hill. Okay, so I'm gonna get to 20 miles an hour, and then I'll brake with both brakes, and then I'll brake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, brake. Wow, actually the brakes are really good. They even lock the rear wheel, so even mechanical perfect for the speed. So now we're gonna go for the hill and see how the bike perform up to the hill. And since the bike is not that fast, only 20 miles an hour, I will ride on the sidewalk just to see how good the rear, like the fork, and it's smooth ride even on the, let's see, bumps, small bumps over here. Very nice. So I think this is probably one of the best scooter for riding as commuter. Nice acceleration, actually, very quick acceleration. So let's go and see how this bike handles the bumps. We have a speed bumps over here, and 80 miles an hour. Oh, went very well. It's not like a bike. 20 miles an hour, easy. So I'm close to the hill right now. I'm gonna stop on stop sign and we're gonna test it out. I'm on the, not pedal assist, I guess, on the speed number 3, and I'm gonna go up to this hill to see if it can climb and how far. I don't think it will make it. Usually 500 watt motors does not make up to this hill. So let's see how far I can go. So it's only 8 miles an hour now, 7, 6. I'll try to keep balance until it's completely stop. When the motor stop. So it's 4 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour. It's still climbing like 2 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour. So actually display very accurate, and actually the motor is not giving up. The motor still working very slowly, and I'm not giving up either. So 2 miles an hour. Usually the motors, actually it's not bad. So far I reached the first street over here, which is, now the motor starts to shake, and now it's basically stopped. So it made, let's see how far. It's like almost half hill, which is pretty much good for 500 watt motor for bicycles. So that's normal. And I'm gonna make U-turn and see how downhill. So this bike is good for more like flat roads. And let's stop it here. Let's see if it's easy to stop. Oh yeah, it's oh wow, the brakes are really good on this bike. I think this brakes better than on bicycles I tested, even mechanical. So because of speed and the way it's set it up, so the brakes are good. Scooter, I guess, for people who wants to use as commuter. Some hills, not the steep hill. Again, try another hill. Let's try different hill, because we do have different hills over here. And over here we have another hill, which is not that steep, but let's see if it can go. So the battery, actually I was wrong before. I think the battery can last longer, because depending on the speed you travel. So if you travel 20 miles an hour with my weight on, you're probably gonna get more, because right now it's the battery still full and I'm 3 miles. Okay, so it made this hill. Alright, so you saw it cannot climb very steep hill, but I can tell you, if you follow my channel, most bicycles with 500 watt cannot really climb that hill at all. So it's a pretty powerful bike, I would say. I mean, the scooter Caroma P3, it comes with nice brakes, which perform very well, I think, for the speed. Also it's heavy. So the reason it's heavy, because the frame, it's made out of the steel. So fork also made out of the steel. Handlebar, it's a steel, so it's very solid, nice scooter. It is large, so if you're looking for stable scooter, you don't want to pedal, it should be one of the best commuter probably for the price. And again, if you're looking for one, check link in description. Support my channel. If you buy one, comment below. And also if you own one, comment below, what do you think? I think they're actually pretty good. It's not the first scooter I review from Caroma, and so far all of them pretty solid, affordable, and fun to ride. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.